Hello, I can't wait to give you this lesson on the phonogram folders. These are the phonogram folders. Oh, they're very soft. Pick them up like that. I know. Can you pick one up and bring it to our work area? You remember the sound that these letters make? A, that's right. Did you know that there's more than one way to spell the A sound? It's true. These cards will show us some of the ways. Can you take the cards out so carefully? This spells A. This spells A. This spells A. This spells A. I'll show you about this special one. If I put a letter right there, and we covered that, you know what that spells? At. At. If I let us see this letter, it changes this. This is called silent E. It makes this letter say its name instead of its sound. So now this says 8. 8. If we add a letter there, that says mat, but that says mate. This is called silent E. It doesn't make any sound at all. If you ever forget what these say, don't worry. There's a clue on the back that will remind you. There are many other things inside our pouch. Look at this. What do we have? A book. Look, this matches this. We'll put it right here. Can you take out the rest? I love these little books. They're so darling. Each one of these little books has many words that spell the A sound in these different ways. I'll show you. And if you ever forget, there's a clue on the back. Let's see what's in here. B-A, bay. D-A, day, day. You can keep going and read every word in this book. You can read every word in all of these books. Come and see me when you're done. Did you love reading those words? Let's clean it up so carefully, and next time you could do the same folder or a different one. There are so many. First, we'll put away the cards. Now we'll so carefully put the books away. They go in front of the cards. Can you do the rest? This one in front. We carry it like this.